I'm ready. Go, 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 go!
Oh, the back up.
Yeah, lower it a little bit.
Alright, you do that. I don't be using the jacks like that.
I looked at it.
I'm gonna drop that shit down.
I'll show you.
Ah, that was on there. Nice. Let me get in it, nigga. Let me get in this shit.
You got it?
I think I already did.
It don't even matter, bro. You already took it off. You good. You good.
Hold it, nigga.
Put it up there.
The vibe.
Fuck, where'd it go?
The bolt?
It just fell somewhere right here. Got it.
Put the bolt up there.
What you doing? Yeah,
Alright, so boom.
Right here. Break it. Wait, show the camera. You a mechanic, bro. Tell them, break it down to
So
them.
boom, these are the sensors heat leading to the downpipe, right? So I'm taking off the
There's O2
secondary
sensors for
and
catalytic
primary
converter. Be specific.
sensors.
What's it for? The catalytic
The
converter.
catalytic converter now.
O2 sensors. We call them O2
Yeah, so
sensors.
let me get this one on nice. Let me hit these ones in the back.
Oh, it dropped. Fuck.
What drop?
The bolt.
Where?
Not far. I see it. Let me see. Let me see. It's right there. I could grab it.
I grab
I hope that shit not hot in there, my nigga.
No, that's not right.
It's another one or is it one?
Downpipes is about to be here. We almost finished. We just got the exhaust off. We about to push that out the way. Take out these cats and we good to go, nigga. We running box. Let me see what else we gotta get off. Right? But
Yeah,
this
that's
whole
what I'm saying, but
bracket-
there's no way to take it up.
Yeah, there's no reach right there, so. Hold on. Let me go to the top. Let me go to the top. Let me go to the top.
Cat version.
I already had a caption.
Clean. Came out?
Yeah.
Cats is out. Cats is out, nigga. We gotta take a picture, nigga. Pull up. Take out flick, nigga. Take out flick, nigga.
I gotta hold up.
Take out fucking flick, you heard?
Start her up. Ready? Start her up.
All right, go.
I'm ready. Go, 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 go! Nigga. What the fuck?
Wait, hold on though. Hold